For construction of an LSC wiring frame, the aluminium rails are sawn to the required length as specified in the order. Further steps include deburring and punching of fastening holes. Then the brackets are fitted. Thus prepared, the rails are transferred to the assembly table. The right-angled stops ensure that the wiring frame is assembled with perfect geometry. The anchoring bolts required for fastening the brackets are inserted into the grooves in the left and right side support rails. For quick assembly, all the parts needed, such as nuts and bolts, are placed close to hand at the assembly table. First, the side support rails are fixed in position. Then the mounting rails are placed on them and aligned in accordance with the assembly drawing. The rails are fitted as specified in the assembly drawing by 2 people working on either side of the assembly table. In this way, fast and above all geometrically correct frame construction is assured. Using distance gauges, all rails are accurately positioned. Then the fastening nuts are tightened to a defined torque. Once all the nuts have been tightened, the bracket covers are fitted. They cover the edges of the brackets and are thus important to ensure safe wiring. The typical LSC wiring profiles are inserted. They have been cut to the required length beforehand, as have the wiring comb covers. The wiring frame is now complete and ready to be shipped to the customer and equipped.